In this video, we're going to explore a tool in inVision called Freehand. So Freehand allows you to create mockups and drawings and basically creating ideas and wireframes to kickstart your project. So the first thing that we have to do is go under this section over here, which is Freehand. Let's click on it. And as you can see, here's the call to action to create your first new project. Now let's click on create a project, and at this point we can actually choose if we want to do a prototype, a freehand or a board. And basically this is something that you need to decide for yourself, but for this demo we're going to create a new freehand. So let's just click on create a new freehand, and at this point inVision will load up. And we will at this point we'll skip the tutorial since we are in a tutorial ourselves, and let's briefly go through the main things in Freehand. So as a start, you have this pencil or pen tool, which basically allows you to draw. So if you click and drag, you'll be able to draw, and you can also use Command plus Z, or I believe it's Control plus Z on Windows, and this will allow you to undo the drawings, and this is pretty much like the most basic form of the pen tool. If you click if you hold the Shift while you're using it, you're going to create either straight lines vertically or horizontally, and this can be really helpful, especially if you're mocking up a website concept. So let's say that you want the header over here and a few images like this. This basically allows you to have more granular design details when working with Freehand. Now, a great thing is that you can obviously select like different lightness and directly from here. So if you click on it, you can access three types of lightness, which can be pretty useful. And another tool which is very useful is the text tool, which you can access by clicking on this button or by the keyboard shortcut T. And basically a text tool, self-explanatory. You can literally like type some text in, and with the pointer tool, which you can access with the V shortcut, you can move the text around, and you can also resize the text directly by dragging these control boxes which are at the sides of the text. And you can also add an image. So if you click on it, you can either sync it from your sketch file, or you can upload it from the images in your computer. So if you click on it, you're gonna be redirected to the images. You can just select one, and it will automatically be inserted in the Freehand project. And of course, there's also the eraser, which if you click on it, you can simply click around and erase the things that you just created. Now, very important thing is these three dots, because they allow you to have some important options. The first one is to clear your drawing. So if you click on it, every drawing will be deleted from the project except for the text. And if you use Command Z again, you can also, if you want to delete also the text, you can select this option, which is clear everything, and this will automatically clear everything. And yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory, I guess. And you can also change the default color. So let's say that we draw a little bit in this color, and at a certain point we're like, nah, we're not really into this red color, let's change it. And as you can see now, if I draw, I can see the drawing in a different color, which can be really useful, especially if you're doing some more complex wireframes and you want some areas of differentiation between one and the other. And of course, you can also create a new freehand directly from here. And yeah, I mean, once you're good to go, you can click on this present button, and basically you're now presenting to everyone. So basically everyone can see the freehand. Everyone that that you shared this project with can see the freehand, and that's basically the presentation mode. Over here, if you click on this very bottom keyboard icon, you can see all the keyboard shortcuts, and yeah, this can be a time saver if you're using freehand often. And once you're done with everything, you can click on this button over here, which is the share button. Just copy the link, share it, and as you mentioned here, anybody with this link will be able to join and edit. So this is it for this quick freehand demo, and I'll see you in the next video.